Hello learners, welcome to NIOS Studio. Over here we are discussing about semiconductor devices and we are particularly looking for applications of transistor in the common emitter configuration. Important application of transistor in the common emitter configuration is the transistor working as an oscillator. So today we will talk about this particular application of the semiconductor devices. In this topic, you will be able to understand the working of a transistor as an oscillator, working of a typical Colpitts oscillator and the applications of transistor as oscillators. Let's begin the topic. The transistor is possibly a very good oscillator. So let's first of all understand what is an oscillator. An electronic oscillator is typically a device that is capable of generating continuous electric oscillations. A large number of electrical devices make use of transistors as an oscillator. To look at in a simple oscillator, there is a parallel LC circuit that is an inductor capacitance circuit which is used as a resonant circuit and an amplifier which is used to feed the energy back to the resonant circuit. When we look at an oscillator is capable of generating continuous electric oscillations. So apart from being an amplifier, it has an additional component. It is an amplifier with a feedback mechanism. A feedback mechanism means that some part of the output is fed back as input. Let's look at the schematic diagram of an oscillator. This is a schematic diagram of an oscillator. When we look at this schematic diagram of the oscillator, what we realize is that an oscillator basically comprises of an amplifier. This amplifier takes the input and generates a larger amount of output. The output which is generated from the amplifier, some portion of that output is taken back in the form of a feedback and is fed back to the input. This leads to formation of oscillations, and this combination of amplifier with a feedback mechanism which is giving it a 180-degree phase shift. So over here what we get is a continuous sustained oscillation. To understand the working of an oscillator, we discuss a simple Colpitts oscillator. This is one of the simplest oscillators which is having an amplifier followed by a 180-degree phase shift feedback mechanism. Overall, there are two 180-degree phase shifts so that eventually the pulse generated is in phase with the input signal. So when we look at this particular topic, we have an LC tank circuit which is acting like an oscillating circuit, and over here the transistor is typically used in common emitter configuration. So let's go into details of the working of this Colpitts oscillator. In the Colpitts oscillator, the initial part, that is the input part of the circuit over here, is indicating that a small input signal over here is amplified with the help of this amplifying circuit. Now some portion of this amplified output is fed back via this combination of this LC tank circuit. This is an indicator and this is the capacitor. So it feeds back the portion to the input. So again what we are doing is that some portion of the output is fed back as input, and it is this feedback mechanism which is converting this simple amplifier into an oscillator, and thus the output measured across over here has sustained oscillations. So this amplifier plus the feedback mechanism becomes an oscillator, and these oscillators are used in frequency generation, in generation of sine waves, cosine waves, square waves, etc. So these oscillators are extremely useful. In this particular topic, we have used transistor in a common emitter configuration and it is working like an oscillator. An oscillator is a simple device which is capable of generating sustained electrical pulses. Over here, depending upon, we can generate a sine wave, we can generate a cosine wave, and so on. So, we discussed the working of a Colpitts oscillator. In a Colpitts oscillator, we have a simple LC tank circuit which acts for a feedback mechanism. So, the simple amplifier connected to the feedback mechanism is a Colpitts oscillator, and there are a number of frequency generators which are using transistor as oscillator. Thank you, learners.